Let's talk about lead magnets. Do you use anything on social media? Do you put anything out there that's a lead magnet that people can go get that might be educational, that because of that lead magnet, it helps grow your database, it helps grow your following? Kevin, how about you? Lead magnets?
We're in the process of rebuilding our website right now with a variety of different lead magnets, traditional like the ebook, but a lot of it just putting energy into the space, right? Are you on podcasts? That's a form of attracting people to you. Are you going to networking events and meeting new individuals? Are you taking pictures, posting on social media? The way that I look at this is you want to be in the game for the long run. When it comes to real estate, it does take time for you to really mature an investment and actually reap the rewards. There are phases where it's like the market just moves so fast. People are flipping things, like flipping apartments, houses, storage units. We're at a current part of the market cycle where you just got to be patient. Keep planting the seeds, be in it for the long run. Specifically on the lead magnet, you need to be able to capture that lead and nurture that lead. Even building out a basic system, somebody downloads your ebook, you get their email and phone number, you have to at least have some sort of email campaign that nurtures them to the point where they remember who you are. Because nowadays people are getting bombarded with information. So you have to stay top of mind to get the timing right when they are ready to deploy capital when you do have a deal.